70s, music so bad. Genesis, yes, ELP was also sad. Ball and Valley made it better. We could dance together. We would bang and go. It all then came along. Music was a shock. We all ran amok. It was a different kind of rock for me. Pistols clash, penetration, scaring the British nation. It was the punk invasion. My life, it all changed. It all felt so deranged, and nothing was the same for me. They played very loud, anything was allowed, dancing in the crowd to that sound, to that sound. 18 years old, nothing I was told, I couldn't be controlled. Band once a week, they all had a little technique, but who turned the other cheek? Who cared? I was 18 years old, did nothing I was told, I could not be controlled. Bands came on scene, excitement was obscene, things we had never seen out on the cold screen. My life it all changed, all felt so deranged, nothing was the same for me. They all played very loud, and everything was allowed. They were dancing in that crowd to that sound, to that sound, dancing to that sound.